Misty. App. Tired of paying monthly for limited AI? Slow responses. Internet required. Data out of your hands. There's a better way. Misty lets you run powerful AI models locally, right on your own device. No subscriptions. No waiting. No internet needed. Just fast, private, and unlimited AI, offline. No more relying on paid services that hold you back. With Misty, the AI is yours. Download your required CPU or NVIDIA GPU version to install. I have NVIDIA GPU, so I will download that version. After installation, you get an icon in the desktop that looks like this. Now let's double-click on it to run the app. Since I have already downloaded some models, I can select them here. If you just installed and need to download models, you can click here, and you will see models that is recommended for your system. Now let's test out the Cogito model. I'll type "Hello, how are you?" The first run may take a moment to load into your system, but subsequent chats will be noticeably faster. Now we have ChatGPT on your local system offline. Now let's test real-time information. I asked, "Who is the president of the US?" But it responded with Joe Biden, because the model's data is cut off at 2024. If you want the latest real-time information, just click here to let the model access the internet. Now, let's ask again, "Who is the president of the US?" This time, it accessed the internet and replied, "Donald Trump is the current president," and it also mentioned that the answer is based on the latest search results. That means the model can now pull information live from the internet. Now, let's switch off internet access and ask the same question again. And just like before, it goes back to saying Joe Biden, because it's using the built-in offline data, which stops at 2024. So this way, you can use it just like ChatGPT, but with real-time internet results when needed. Good luck exploring this unlimited ChatGPT experience offline, right on your local PC. This is Apex Artist. Don't forget to share and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thanks for your time.